Hey there, thanks for watching. Today I'll try taking off my E-flite V-22 Osprey like a normal airplane. No.
Throttle cut off.
That was worse. Figured out I get differential thrust only in acro mode, but looks like my front wheel is not straight, probably due to previous crashes. I know it can be done with this model, but I'll give it up for today before I break it and just take off vertically. Seems like I never managed to get these transitions in shot, sorry for that.
Divinity mode.
I never had luck doing aerobatics with this plane, so I mostly stick to flying it fast and low in stability mode, really enjoy how it zooms by. At least I got this transition better on camera. Thank you to everyone who watches my videos, special thanks to all subscribers. I appreciate you watching my amateur videos. I am by no means an experienced pilot, but I enjoy flying and sharing my learning experience. I decided to add some commentary to hopefully make videos more enjoyable to watch. Stay tuned, more content coming soon.